Hey Eagle Run 2-3. We have sharpened lots of things on this channel. Some things that shouldn't be sharpened, and lots of things that are just part of homeowner use, lawnmower blades and things like that. But today I was wanting to refresh some tweezers, and you can actually sharpen tweezers so that they meet nice and perfectly, and so that they work really well. Now I have a glass little tile here. You don't have to have this. I have it, I'm gonna use it, but really all you need is some fine grit sandpaper. We're gonna use 600, and then because we can't leave things just normal, we're gonna go ahead and go to the 2000. So this is super simple. What you're trying to do here is make the two inside surfaces flat and make the top here, the tip, flat. So this is really easy. There's not much to this. We're gonna pinch our tweezers on our sandpaper, and we're just going to, we're only doing one side at a time, but it does not take much to kind of help those surfaces meet. Now I'm just going to switch the tweezers to the other side and do the same thing. Now you can kind of see on the inside that you've got all points meeting. See if I can dust that off there. So I don't know if it's going to show up on camera here, but those tips right there are actually not quite meeting. That one looks pretty good, but this one needs some more. So let's do some more on that side. I guess if you have a problem, you could always drop to maybe a 400. That might be pretty rough though, on something like this. There we go. All right, a couple more on each side here, and we're gonna call that good. Yeah, we've got full contact. I guess I could hold that up to some light. Oh, there's no way. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so now for the other part here is this right here. We're gonna go on the flat. This tip, we want to just flatten. So we're gonna hold them. I'm sorry, my camera angle's not the greatest here, but I think you get the point. We're gonna try to be as close to 90 as we can, and we're gonna I wonder if I bet it wouldn't hurt to wet this a little bit. That's a great sound. Again, you don't have to have a glass tile. I have one, so I'm using it, but you do not have to. We're just gonna make sure that we are with the same angle. Find that angle and then rub it back and forth. I'm kind of experimenting if back and forth is better or if one direction. I bet it doesn't matter. Wow. Okay, so I've got gleaming. Oops, sorry. Okay, so I have a glint that shows me in the light there all across the tip of that. Looks great. And I bet those are gonna be fine. Let's check these out. These are actually maybe a little higher quality of a tweezer. Those look pretty basic. Let's do this wet part over here. See if we like that. And I am pinching them as I drag it through. So we are adding a fair amount of tweezer pressure. Try the other side. So this is super simple to do, and I think a lot of times you just throw these things away. But if we can get some more use out of something, we like that. Now this is a nice big flat surface there, so it's either going to be easier or harder to keep lined up. there's the angle. So I am squeezing these together because I want them to be the same. I think I like the one direction. Yeah, one direction seems to be better. Okay, I see. There's a little spot right there. I wonder if that's. Oh, there is a little chunk right there. Let's see if we can do something about that. Great. Looks good on the inside. All right. I bet that will be awesome. Now, since these are the nicer ones, let's see what 2000 grit does to them. This is way overkill, but we like overkill. Oh, that is smooth. You can feel just how fine that is. Do the other side. Yeah, 2000 grit's probably unnecessary. But I have it, so we're gonna do it. This is really like polishing. Well, I don't know. Oh, well, yeah, it's quite a bit shinier. Let's see if we can get rid of some of that water. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. I think that's coming through. Oh, yeah. Awesome. I bet I could hit that with the wire wheel and polish that up as well. So the last one here, these are flat. And this is, it just says stainless on it. This is definitely your cheap basic tweezer, but I bet this will be rejuvenated as well. I don't know if this is technically called sharpening. Do you sharpen tweezers? So we've got 3 pair here that in just about 6 or 7 minutes we're gonna have looking good. Yeah, I got good contact on both of those, and these are gonna go straight up and down. Not a good sound. Awesome. Those look great. Okay. Success. All right, Eagle Run 2-3. Thanks for watching.